Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple pie for baby. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 medium apples like Fuji or Gala, which are naturally sweet and soft. For the crust, a simple, unsweetened option is best, or you can easily make one from scratch. We'll also use a small pie dish, roughly 4 inches across, perfect for little portions. Remember, safety and nutrition are key for your little one. Now, let's prepare those apples. Start by peeling, coring, and finely dicing about 2 medium apples. Next, steam or simmer these apple pieces in a small amount of water until they are very tender, which usually takes around 10 minutes. Once cooked, mash or puree the apples to a smooth consistency, ensuring there are no large chunks. This makes it safe and easy for your baby to enjoy. Time to assemble our baby's pie. First, press a thin layer of your chosen crust into the bottom of your small 4-inch pie dish. Next, spoon the mashed apple filling evenly over the bottom crust. Finally, carefully place a top crust over the filling, gently sealing the edges. You can make a few small slits in the top crust for steam to escape during baking. Keep it simple and sweet for your little one. Now for the final steps. Bake your baby's apple pie in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until the crust is golden brown, typically around 20 minutes. Once baked, it's crucial to let the pie cool completely before serving. Always check the temperature to ensure it's safe for your baby. Serve small, manageable portions and watch your little one enjoy their homemade, healthy treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.